Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a design team haul package from Country Craft Creations. It came a little bit later in the month because I had to wait for this fabulous collection to arrive into the store so it could be shipped to me. So anyway, I have all my goodies laid out here. I'm going to go over it with you one at a time. It is the 49 and Market Toddler Time collection, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have everything stacked up that I received. First thing we're going to go through is the embellishments that I got. This one right here, I've taken it out of the package so it's easier to show you. The first one here is the 49 and Market Toddler Times laser cut icons. I love 49 and Market's laser cuts. They are just so fun to play with. I absolutely love the flowers. You just have to be real careful. They will pop out sometimes on their own, but just look how delicate that is. So pretty for layering. I love to layer with these. So this particular package comes with double-sided. So if we flip it over, you can see some of them are already popping out. But lots of the icons here, the airplanes and the kids, the butterflies, flowers, dogs, cats. I see everything on here. So that is one sheet. And then this is the second one. So that is what you get for those. So here's the packaging. 98 elements is what you get. It's 4 sheets this side. The 2 of them are joined together, like I call them front and back. But these are all the icon images you get, the layer cuts. But here on the packaging, if you really wanted to, you could fussy cut out these. They're the full size. Use these from some backing and stuff like that. So I do keep my branding sheet with my pieces here so that I have those. And then this one here, I've already put these in my tray, is your die cuts. The Toddler Time ephemera bits, 95 die cut shapes. Of course, the packaging, you see here, you don't want to throw that away. You want to use that. But this is what's in the package back here. And I'm not going to go through each individually, but I want to show you the bigger ones. Look at the envelopes. There's that one, that, and then you get these cards like your school flashcard type sort of things. There's an index card, another envelope, couple of more index cards, and like a page torn out of the book for your script alphabet. Love that. That is so cute. And then the smaller ones are in here. Let me slide this up a little bit. Have them in my tray. So you can see different tags, like little wording like you would have in your school books. All kinds of labels. You get so many different things in here. Tickets, clock faces, you just name it, it's in here. Different size tickets, so like that. You probably can't even use it all in one album, and that's fine because you can make tags with these. You can make cards. You can save what's left over and use it in junk journals later on. Look at the little tags. I love the tags. The hearts. You can layer these up with your laser cuts. Look at the pretty butterfly on that. So anyway, some banner tags that says adored. So you get the picture there. Lots of these that you get in that package. Now what I also got is 2 yards each of this beautiful yellow seam binding from Country Craft Creations, and this green, kind of like a celery green is what I would call it. And then 2 yards of this fun blue jute twine. I love jute twine. And then I also got a pack of buttons. These are the Country Craft Creations. You want to look for these on their website. Come in different colors. Country Craft Creations Granny's Craft Buttons. And this one that I have is Gypsy Teal. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those gorgeous? Those are going to be great with this album. So I have all those items here in my trays ready to go when I get ready to start decorating. I have my bigger pieces here and my packaging that I'm going to keep. So let's move that out of the way. And then next, I'm going to show you the album that I received. So you can order these from Country Craft Creations. If you are in a time crunch, you need something, a nice size album, you want a head start on it. This one's already pre-made for you. I'm going to show you what it is. This is a 2-ring binder, and it will hold 6 by 8 pages. Now, you can order this collection, excuse me, in the 6 by 8 pages where you just slip them in the sleeves and stuff. I did not get that. I got the 12 by 12, but you can still use 12 by 12 on these. So if the 6 by 8 are sold out, or you would rather have the 12 by 12 images, go with that. The outside of this cover measures 8 3/4 by 9 with a 2.5-inch spine, and it has a 1.5-inch D-ring. So you can slide this off. Maybe I can. I have to cut it. That's too tight. So let's just pull that or cut that off. There we go. Pull it off. There's 2 different colors. I think this is the coral or the peach color, and then I think there's a green or blue, kind of a blue-green. So on the front of it, it's already got the pattern paper on it. So you don't have to do anything, but you could do some layering on it if you wanted to. Save this. This is your, until you're done with it, support piece on the inside to keep everything from getting bent. So this is the inside cover. It's already finished for you. It's a little tight when you first open it up, but it works lace flat pretty good. And it comes with these pre-made pages. So like this is a folded page. Here you got 2 of these this size. Then you've got these with the pockets. That one, what's this? Two of the pocket ones for sure. Then the solid, these could be like dividers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My camera light changes when I get close. What, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8 of the white, sorry. And then you get these solid ones, I mean not solid, but you get this sheet of reinforcements and labels. You get 2 of those, and then you get some pocket pages. You get 2 of the 4 by 6s and 2 of the 3 by 4s. Of course, you could add in more, and I think I may have some that I received that I purchased from Country Craft Creations in a, I can't remember what it was called. It was a box from 49 Market that was on sale. It was a special deal. So I may have extra plastic sleeves if I want to add it in there. You just have to be careful and not make your book too thick. But anyway, I am going to be using some of this paper to make this album. So let's set that aside, and then we'll go over the papers. So what I received is, again, the 12 by 12 in this collection called Toddler Time. And I got 2 of each print. And so there's a total of 10 designs. So I got 20 sheets in case you want to order and keep track, or you can probably get this in a collection, but I like to get the single sheets. I like it really well. So I have flipped the second sheet so you can see the front side and the back. As you can see, it's the same there. So here on the front, the first one I have is in the cards. I love how this is all laid out. If you're into 12 by 12 album page layouts, this is done for you. You just add your photo, maybe some more layering if you want, and you're done. But then I love the dot side, and also if you'll notice your branding strip, you can use this for a border. That's a really pretty lace there. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to flip that over. Next one is clippings. So these are like the little cards from school little flash cards that you would learn from. And on the back side we have a plaid, and then we have this design here on the bottom you can cut off and use as a border, or you could use the whole sheet if you needed to, like fold it up. Next one is beanstalk, the beanstalk. This is just like a beautiful 12 by 12 design. Of course, you could cut it down and use it in pieces, different sizes, but this would be perfect for a 12 by 12 layout for sure. And then you've got this real pretty green floral with that pattern on the bottom. Some yellow lace going on there. And then this one, can't go wrong with your cats and your dogs. I have cats now, but I have had dogs in the past when I was a kid. And so I'm not opposed to dogs. We just tend to gravitate more toward cats now. But this is perfect if you love both or one or the other. And then the back side is this pretty coral peach color with that blue stripe for the bottom border. And it's got this in place for a photo. That would be perfect for a photo right there if you wanted to. Airplanes. It's got the kids down here with some floral stuff, and the little airplanes are up in the sky, but you've got this pretty teal blue here with, you can see kind of lacy, some flowers, some lettering, even some text there in the background. Love that. And then this back side is a peachy color. Grab it, stuck together. It's cold. Not stuck together. Yeah, it is. There it goes. One thing about 49 Market, its paper is very, very heavy. It's heavier than most, which makes it perfect for those kind of albums with the page protector sheets and everything. And I have used it in regular albums that I have designed, and I really like it. It is thicker. It's thicker that you can't wrap, but you can certainly layer with it. So there's this one. It has stars in a burst, and the border says giggles and grins, you're loved, show kindness. So that's really cute. That's cute. Okay, so this one is Playtime. Now I love that coral peachy color in the background. We have the kids and the flowers and the butterflies. So you could, cut this down if you needed to fit in your album, depending on your size. And then, of course, we have the blue here with the matching stars. This would be perfect for a 4th of July layout. And we got some green lace down here at the bottom. This one I love. I love vintage advertisements. So this is called Adverts. And if you really look close, you have a little tricycle. I had one of those. We have different baby toys, the bouncy balls, the rubber duck, the blocks, the wood blocks. Super, super cute little advertisements of toys here. And then the back side is this really pretty floral. And then you have this blue with the zigzag stitching on it. Okay, next we come to our tags. These are nice long tags, but you could fold them up and make a pocket if you wanted to. And you have 2 4x6s down here. And then the back side, we have this really pretty kind of a greenish yellow color. It's got a lot of different designs, doodling, the text. Very pretty for a layout. This page is called Storybook. So it kind of looks like the pages of a book here, but also you have your music pages, little cards. I really like that. The charmer, little dog, little cat. Got the pretty doily here on the side. And then the back side is this gorgeous, gorgeous blue plaid with the border of hearts. And then this one is our journal cards. So we have 2 4x6s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of your 3x4s. These are just great. You could leave some of these together, have another, fold them like a booklet if you wanted to, or use them as 4x6s. And then the back side is this real pretty, kind of a yellow-green, if you can see it with my lights, pattern here, plaid pattern in a way. Then I also got the solids. I got 1 sheet of each of the solids that match this collection. I got, and they just number these. So I have them in the wrong order, of course. Let me move them. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. Okay, so I got number 1, which is a really pretty kind of a teal blue with another different color blue here on the back. And number 2 is your orange with kind of a lighter orange print. 3 is kind of the yellow gold, lighter there. 4 is kind of your kind kind of a teal green, both sides, different tones, and then you're kind of a navy color, and then a deeper blue there. So I got those, and then I also got the artisan cardstock that is this 85 pound, which is the linen white. I got 4 sheets of those, so those are great for making mats or adding into those sleeves. So I can use those with that album. And then I also got 2 of the lightweight 12 by 12 chipboard. So that is my design team package for this go round. I'll be getting started on it just as quickly as I can within hopefully the next 3 or 4 days. Then I'll have a sneak peek for you. So you have your papers, you want your album. Now I will say that if you don't have or don't want to order this particular album, you can design an album, follow different tutorials by the Country Craft Creations designers or by Tamara, and find one a relatively same size, and then you can make your own pages and just kind of follow me for ideas on how to use this paper with it. Again, this is a 8 3/4 by 9 with a 2.5 inch spine, and the pages in it I think are the 6 by 8, so it gives a little space in there just to give you an idea if you want to whip up a chipboard cardstock page album and use that instead of this album. But I think you'll really like this album if you give it a try. Let me lay it back over here so you can see. So we have the album, we have all these goodies, our ribbons, our buttons, our ephemera pieces, and our laser die cuts. So we have those, and that is my design team package for this go around, and I'll start on it as soon as I can. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, click on the bell so you'll be reminded of the next video I post. Leave me a comment, give me a like, which is the thumbs up. This helps my channel grow and also makes it populate so others will see it. And as always, check out countrycraftcreations.com for your scrapbooking supplies. I will link all of these items down below individually using my affiliate link, which means that if you purchase any of this following those links, it will give me some credit so that I can purchase more basics such as cardstock and glue for my tutorials, and it doesn't add any cost to you at all. So if you decide to do that, I appreciate it so much, and have fun crafting, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.